Hindi ba nag-overlap sa free speech ang Safe Spaces Act? Hindi in the case of comedians and joking amongst friends. Like what I said kanina, Sir Comics Man, the essence of the violation is consent. Kasi pag uninvited at unwanted yung sexual jokes, sexual remarks, sexual comments, no? Magiging violation yun kasi regardless of the motive, if the victim feels uncomfortable, no, with your sexual undertones or sexual innuendos, you can be held liable. And hindi po yan mag-overlap sa free speech dahil actually, this law is a check on free speech. Yung free speech kasi it's not free in the true sense of the word. Why? Because freedom, according to Charles Montesquieu, is the right to do what the law permits. So, pag lumagpas ka sa batas, hindi na yan violation sa free speech mo kasi freedom of speech is not absolute.